Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast in an air fryer. Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees F and whisk eggs, milk, sugar, and vanilla until smooth. Dip slices of bread, letting excess drip off, and arrange in a single layer without overlapping. Cook for 6 to 8 minutes, flipping halfway until golden and crisp. Enjoy a quick, satisfying breakfast that saves time and tastes indulgent. Start by gathering bread, eggs, milk, sweetener, and vanilla for a balanced batter. Use slightly stale bread or press fresh slices gently for better soak. Beat eggs with milk, 1 tablespoon sugar, and a pinch of salt until combined. For richness, add 1 tablespoon melted butter to the mix. Let slices soak about 30 seconds per side, then transfer to the air fryer tray and cook as directed. Top with cinnamon or berries after cooking for extra flavor. Flip gently at the halfway mark to ensure even browning and crispness. Avoid overcrowding the basket to maintain hot air circulation and consistent texture. Spray or brush oil lightly to help browning without sogginess. Adjust time for thickness. Thicker slices need 8 to 10 minutes, thin need 5 to 6 minutes. Let the toast rest a minute to set, then serve immediately with your favorite toppings. This method yields crisp outsides and tender centers every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.